Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore how to stay calm during conflict. Disagreements can get the best of us, and it's normal to get carried away in our emotions. Our mindfulness practice can be a useful tool to help us stay centered as we work toward a resolution. Begin by finding a comfortable seat. Close your eyes if that feels right. Gently lengthen your spine. Relax your neck and shoulders. And rest your hands on your knees. Now, turn your attention to your breath. Follow your breath from beginning to end. Observe how each in-breath is separate from the next. Each out-breath is distinct. Stay with your breath now, noticing how it shifts and changes with each cycle. And now, allow your awareness to include any physical sensations that arise. Notice how, without seeking them out, sensations shift in your body. They don't stay the same. When you lean into tension or discomfort, it starts to change. Or turn your attention to your stomach gurgling. The feelings there eventually morph. Stay with your breath and the physical sensations that come and go. Now, stay with your breath and turn your attention to your mind. Observe how thoughts come and go. Ideas form and disappear. Emotions arise and dissipate. Stay with the shifting landscape of your mind without analyzing or hanging on to any particular thought or feeling. Use your inhales and exhales to create a sense of calm and presence. No thought, sensation, or emotion is permanent. They simply come and go. There's no need to get worked up. Instead, use your breath as an anchor to call yourself back to the present again and again. And if it's helpful, every time you breathe in, silently say to yourself, I am. Breathing out, silently repeat, calm. And now, let your attention widen. Disagreements aren't pleasant, but they're inevitable. It's impossible to agree with the people around us 100% of the time. At some point, conflict is bound to arise, but it doesn't have to send us on an emotional roller coaster. Though it's normal to experience intense feelings, losing our cool or lashing out doesn't serve anyone involved. Luckily, our meditation practice can help us keep a calm and level head, even when tension arises. First and foremost, remember that nothing is permanent. Even the most challenging situations eventually resolve. It might sound cliche, but knowing that this too shall pass can help relieve some pressure and create more room for clarity. When we're worked up, our body language can come across as confrontational, even when that's not our intention. So when the heat of emotions bubbles up during conflict, take a few deep breaths to get centered again. Tap into your body and notice the sensations there. Consciously relax your shoulders and soften your face. Notice the tone of voice you're using and do your best to lower your register. By encouraging a calm breath, body, and voice, you'll set the tone for the conversation and guide others to do the same. This invites dialogue rather than defensiveness, ensuring everyone feels heard. These small gestures can make a massive difference in diffusing conflict. And remember, this takes practice. So if you lose your cool, be gentle with yourself. Tap back into your breath and body and do the best you can. Now, feel your body in space. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and let's meet back here tomorrow.